YouTube, me tube, us tube, we tube. Anywho, here's the update for today. Got the sprocket on ya. Nice countersunk bolts. It's nice and snazzy. Got some blue thread locker on that beast. Cleaned the wheel up a little bit, so I'm a little bit happy about that. It's not perfect, but here we go. I gotta ask you, am I the only one that feels like the tire is super tiny when it's off the bike? I mean, look at it. Look at it. It's like a bicycle tire. It's so small. Anyway, I wanted to do something fun with the sprocket. You know, I don't know, like some kind of reflective tape or paint it up or something. But I kind of wandered the aisles at the stores, and I was like, yeah, I don't really know what I want to do. And then I decided against it because it turned into a whole lot of effort, and I know that with the chain lube and all that stuff going on the sprocket, eventually it'd get kind of mucked up and dirty, and I'd be all upset about it. So I think the sprocket's going to be boring and black, but who knows? Maybe I might change my mind in the future, snazz it up a bit. Maybe if I change up the tooth ratio, I might feel inclined to order one up that's anodized or something. Kind of add a little bit of flavor to the bike. But I did not torque these to factory specifications. I will confess, what I did was I just put 1,000,000 pounds of torque on it with my arms, because I have arms like the Hulk. Alright, that was probably a fabricated truth. It's probably more like Bruce Banner, but it's on there, and I will be super mindful to check it for the first few hundred miles, just to make sure it's not trying to dislodge itself from the wheel. But I think, well, okay, so I got to put on the chain guard onto the swing arm, but with that understanding, everything else is pretty much just putting it back together. So pretty excited about that, because I miss riding this thing. I miss it. The electric life. Anyway, stay tuned for the next update. Hope you are excited as I am, because I am looking forward to this thing being a torque monster once I get everything back together. But we will see what happens. Take it easy, guys. Stay safe out there.